Here's the trap they don't warn you about. You study hard, ace the exams, finally graduate, and somehow you still have no idea how to make real money. I've watched it happen to honor roll friends and even PhDs who end up broke or stuck in jobs they hate. The reason? Making money is a totally different skill, and they don't teach it in lectures. You pick it up by testing ideas, spotting problems, and turning small wins into bigger ones. And no, there isn't a magic side hustle that sprays cash overnight. But roughly 9 out of 10 millionaires built their wealth from scratch, which means starting small and sticking with it actually works. If that sounds like a game you're willing to play, stay with me. I'm about to break down 6 side hustles that work right now. A few are so simple you could start them this weekend. Others need a bit of tech know-how, but pay off in leverage. And somewhere in the middle, number 4, is something you probably already do for free. You just haven't been getting paid for it yet. Stick around while the list unfolds. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 1, Discord community management. Let's slow down and think about why this is such a smart play. Discord is no longer just for gamers. It's where crypto founders hold office hours, software companies run user groups, and hobby communities trade tips all day long. These servers drive sales, beta feedback, and brand loyalty, but only if the chat stays lively. That's where you come in. A good community manager keeps the vibe positive, answers quick questions, and surfaces feedback so owners don't have to live in the app. How much can you make? Start with a small hobby server, maybe 300 active members. For basic duties like greeting newcomers and removing spam, expect $150 to $300 a month. Move up to an indie SaaS community with a few thousand users, and you're looking at $500 to $1,000 for running events and weekly recaps. Land a serious B2B mastermind. 2,000 paying members and a $1,500 retainer is normal, especially if you provide analytics or help upsell premium tiers. Here's a simple 3-step launch plan. First, pick a niche you already enjoy. Design, language learning, fitness, whatever keeps you checking the chat anyway. Second, volunteer mod a tiny server for 2 weeks. Track simple metrics: message count, daily active users, number of answered questions. Grab screenshots before and after to prove the difference you made. Third, package those wins into a 1-page community health report and pitch 10 server owners on Twitter or LinkedIn. Offer them a 7-day engagement tune-up with clear goals, say 30% more messages and 1 scheduled Q&A call. It's low risk for them and instant credibility for you. Ready to scale? Turn your role into a bundled service. Include moderation, a weekly Ask Me Anything session, monthly analytics, and a short Loom video summarizing member sentiment. Price it as a flat retainer so clients pay for outcomes, not hours. Once you lock in 2 or 3 of these packages, bring on junior mods to cover weekends while you handle strategy and reporting. That's how a side gig grows into a reliable, 4-figure income stream. Up next, we'll move from community work to a hustle where you take an existing talent, design, coding, writing, and start earning real freelance cash almost immediately. Side hustle number 2, freelancing. Why does freelancing work so well? Because every business, whether it's a local cafe or a global SaaS company, has more tasks than time. They need design tweaks, blog posts, short-form videos, website fixes, social media captions. They don't want to hire a full-time employee for each micro-project, so they pay freelancers who can deliver fast and disappear until the next job. A beginner graphic design gig on a platform like Upwork might start around $20 an hour. A well-reviewed video editor can climb to $40 or $50. Copywriters with a strong portfolio often switch to project fees: $200 for a landing page, $500 for a full email sequence. Stack just 2 or 3 of these projects each month and you're quickly matching or surpassing typical student wages. 3-step quick start. Step 1. Choose a single service you can finish without stressing. Canva social posts, TikTok edits, basic WordPress fixes, whatever you already do for friends. Step 2. Create a mini portfolio of 3 pieces. They don't all need to be client work. Personal projects count as long as they prove you can meet a brief. Step 3. Land the first client through warm outreach before touching the big marketplaces. Post your offer in a niche Discord, LinkedIn group, or even your university's entrepreneur club. Pitch it like this: I'll deliver your first 3 TikTok clips in 48 hours. Pay only if you're happy. Once projects start overlapping, switch from hourly to outcome pricing. $1,000 for a month of short-form videos or $300 per sales page, so you're paid for results, not the clock. Then outsource the repetitive parts. Hire a junior editor for rough cuts or a virtual assistant for keyword research. That frees you to manage clients and upsell bigger packages. Next, we'll look at a hustle that uses simple automation to earn money even when you're away from the keyboard. Side hustle number 3, building and selling simple AI automations. Why this works. Small businesses keep hearing that AI can save them hours, but most owners have no clue how to connect the tools. They're drowning in repetitive tasks, copy-pasting emails, sorting customer leads, sending follow-ups, and they'll happily pay someone who can wire everything together so it runs by itself. And before you tune out thinking AI sounds too technical, remember, tools like ChatGPT, Zapier, Make.com, and N8N use drag-and-drop workflows. If you can build a Canva design, you can build an automation. You don't need to write code, just link the blocks and test. Earning snapshot. Automating a single workflow, say turning every new Stripe sale into a personalized welcome email, can earn $300 to $500 as a one-off setup. Add ongoing support, and you're looking at monthly retainers of $200 to $400 for checking logs and updating prompts. Land 3 or 4 clients, and you've created a solid recurring income stream. Step 1. Automate something in your own life. A Notion database that summarizes lecture notes with ChatGPT, or an N8N flow that texts you when a professor posts grades. Document the build with screenshots and a 2-minute Loom video. Step 2. Turn that demo into a mini case study. Show the problem, the automation map, and the saved clicks or minutes per day. Keep it visual. Business owners love before and after proof. Step 3. Pitch 5 local companies already using tools like Gmail, Stripe, or Airtable. Offer a flat-fee automation sprint where you map one annoying process and deliver a working AI agent in a week. Scale-up tip. Productize your best automations. Package them as templates. AI inbox cleaner, automatic invoice chaser, and sell them on Gumroad, or bundle setup plus 3 months of monitoring into a higher retainer. As you collect more templates, each new client takes less build time and your effective hourly rate climbs. Next up, we'll shift to side hustle number 4. Something many students already do for free, but with a small tweak, it can start paying almost immediately. Side hustle number 4, tutoring. Why this works. Every semester, thousands of parents and international students look for help with maths, chemistry, English, or language exams. Schools can't give one-on-one attention, so families pay for it. And here's the kicker. You might already be explaining these subjects to classmates for free. Turn that same knowledge into a paid session, and the market is waiting. Earning snapshot. On platforms like SuperProf or Wisent, beginner tutors often start at $15 to $20 an hour. Pick an in-demand exam niche, IB Maths, IELTS English, University Physics, and rates jump to $30 or $40. Step 1. Choose a subject where you consistently score in the top 10%, maybe calculus, Spanish, or Python basics. Gather proof, pass grades, certificates, or positive feedback from classmates. Step 2. Create a clean one-page profile. Include a friendly headshot, your best result screenshot, and a call-out line like raised average grades from C to A- in 8 weeks. List your availability and a free 15-minute trial call. Step 3. Post that profile on one tutoring marketplace and in 2 local Facebook or Discord study groups. Offer the first 30-minute session free. Use that call to diagnose a student's pain points, outline a simple study plan, and secure a paid follow-up package. Scale-up tip. Move from hourly to productist offerings. Bundle 4 lessons plus custom worksheets as a mid-term rescue pack. Or run weekly group sessions on Zoom so 5 students split the bill while you earn more per hour. Record your explanations once and repurpose them into a short paid course or a study notes ebook for passive sales. Next, we'll look at side hustle number 5, where you turn those same lessons into content that attracts brands and sponsorships instead of individual students. Side hustle number 5, content creation, especially short-form videos and user-generated content, or UGC. Why this works? Every brand needs a non-stop stream of fresh, authentic video, and most founders don't have time to film themselves. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts all favor clips that feel personal and unpolished. Exactly the style you can shoot with a phone and a cheap ring light. Earnings snapshot. A simple UGC package, 3 30-second clips, often starts at $150 to $300. Land a monthly retainer to deliver 10 clips plus a handful of photos, and you're in the $500 to $1,000 range. Add ad revenue share from a faceless YouTube channel, and you can pick up another $2 to $4 per thousand views in passive income. Step 1. Pick a narrow theme that feels natural. Study hacks, budget recipes, fitness form checks, and post a 30-day sprint of daily clips. Use free editing apps like CapCut. Keep each video under 40 seconds. Step 2. Once you hit a few thousand views on any clip, grab the analytic screenshots and build a simple media kit. One page with your best numbers, follower count, and a sample deliverables list. Step 3. DM 10 niche brands or course creators whose products fit your theme. Offer a trial. 3 custom clips delivered in 72 hours. Usage rights included. Pay only if they're happy. Brands love a low-risk test. Scale-up tip. Batch produce your content. Film 10 clips in one afternoon. Offload the rough cuts to a junior editor on Fiverr, and schedule everything with a tool like Later. Repurpose each clip, TikTok, Reels, Shorts, Pinterest idea pins, to squeeze 4 platforms out of one shoot day. As your reach grows, swap flat fees for usage-based licensing or revenue share deals. Next, we'll wrap with side hustle number 6, where you package everything you've learned so far into digital products that can earn while you sleep. Side hustle number 6, online courses and digital products. Why this works. Once you've nailed a skill, tutoring, freelancing, even managing a Discord, you can record it once and sell it over and over. People love fast-focused learning. A 60-minute micro course on how to edit viral shorts, a Notion template for tracking study habits, or a PDF cheat sheet for mastering calculus formulas. Earnings snapshot. On a marketplace like Udemy, a short course priced at $29 can pull in several hundred a month if it ranks well. Sell directly through Gumroad or Shopify at $49 to $99, and just 10 sales a month means an extra $500 to $1,000. Layer in upsells, template packs, one-on-one calls, and the numbers climb fast. Step 1. Outline 5 bite-sized lessons that solve one clear problem. For example, shoot, edit, and upload your first TikTok in 1 hour. Keep each lesson under 10 minutes. Step 2. Record with what you have. Phone camera, free screen recorder, a $10 lapel mic. Edit lightly. Students care more about clarity than Hollywood polish. Step 3. Launch with a limited time discount and an affiliate link for your early students, so they earn a cut when they share. That first wave of word of mouth drives the algorithm and builds testimonials. Scale up tip. Build an email list from day 1. Offer a free mini resource, maybe your favorite CapCut presets or a printable study tracker, in exchange for an address. Every new course, template, or ebook you create instantly has a warm audience, and repeat customers are where digital products get truly passive. And that wraps up our 6 side hustles. Start with the one that matches your current skills, stack another once the first is rolling, and remember, income is a skill. Practice it and it compounds. Side hustle roundup complete. Now let's land the plane. First, a quick recap. Number 1, Discord community management. Start by moderating in a niche you already love. Number 2, freelancing. Pick one service and charge for outcomes, not hours. Number 3, AI automations. Drag and drop workflows that save businesses time. Number 4, tutoring. Turn the subjects you already ace into paid sessions. Number 5, content creation and UGC. Batch short-form videos for brands that need constant clips. Number 6, digital products. Package what you've learned into courses, templates, and ebooks. Notice the pattern? Each hustle takes a skill you probably have, or can learn quickly, and turns it into leverage. Start with one, get paid, reinvest the earnings into the next layer, and you'll stack income faster than any part-time campus job. If you found even one idea worth trying, hit the like button so YouTube knows this helped you. For more straight talk personal finance videos, side hustles, investing, and smart money habits, tap subscribe and turn on notifications. New content drops every week. And if you're ready for the next level, watch this video which breaks down 4 income streams self-made millionaires rely on and shows you how to start them yourself. The video's on screen now. See you there.